Welcome to our guide on 6 ways to avoid snoring. Snoring can disrupt sleep patterns, leading to daytime fatigue and affecting both the snorer and their partner. Let's explore some effective strategies to help alleviate this issue. 1. Sleep position. One effective method is adjusting your sleeping position. Sleeping on your back can cause the tongue to collapse to the back of the throat, obstructing the airway and leading to snoring. Try sleeping on your side to reduce snoring. 2. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Regular exercise, maintaining a healthy weight, and eating a balanced diet can reduce the likelihood of snoring. Avoiding alcohol and large meals close to bedtime can also help. 3. Use a humidifier. Dry air can irritate the throat and nasal passages, contributing to snoring. Using a humidifier can add moisture to the air, reducing congestion and the likelihood of snoring. 4. Nasal strips and sprays. Nasal strips or nasal sprays can help open up nasal passages, allowing for improved airflow and reducing snoring caused by nasal congestion. 5. Establish a bedtime routine. Engaging in calming activities before bedtime, such as reading, meditating, or taking a warm bath, can relax the body and mind, promoting better sleep quality and reducing snoring. 6. Seek professional help. If snoring persists despite trying these methods, consider consulting a healthcare professional or a sleep specialist. They can assess the underlying causes and provide personalized solutions. By implementing these strategies, you can significantly reduce snoring, leading to better sleep for you and your partner. Remember, finding the right solution may require some trial and error, but improving sleep quality is well worth the effort. Thank you for watching. Sleep well and snore less. Good night.